Jackson, who are you looking at?
Baba, Baba.
Big bird? Big bird?
Here, let me take the ball so you don't scare the
See
big bird.
Big Bird? Can you say hi to him? Hi, bird. More birds. Oh my goodness.
Lots of birds. Yeah, yes, I'll come out. I'll come out. Say hi to. Can you say hi to George? Let's say hi, George. Come here.
You checking on Bumpa? He's coming.
See the bird. Yeah. Big.
Hi, bird.
Here, want me to hold the ball? I'll hold the ball so we don't scare the bird.
What do you say to the bird?
Let's see if the bird likes it.
Oh.
Bird. Bumpa brought food for the bird.
Ooh, here comes the
Oh,
nest with
seagulls, not nice.
Don't go down too
What do you think, buddy? Gonna eat it?
far. Don't waste any more until you figure out.
This one's a bad one.
Take Baba.
Bumpa, what did Bumpa do?
Mimi.
Jackson, do you see the birds?
Thank you. Look at there's a big blackbird.
Wow.
Apparently they're not fond of banana.
Maybe he's just afraid of all the other birds.
I think the seagulls eat more starchy food.
But I think the big guy likes.
Yeah, I think.
Didn't he like
I
fruit?
think George does. Here comes George.
Get it, Buggy.
Hey, George. Come on, you'll like it. It's a banana.
It's not popcorn. We promise. Oh, good throw, Bumpa.
Eyeing it.
What do you think, Jackson? Do you like the birds?
More
Hey.
birds.